Hi viewers, welcome to VVRAM Tech Tools. In this video, we will learn C programming language variables. Variables are memory allocation or the storage area in the C programming language. The primary purpose of the variables is to store data in memory for later use. Unlike the constants which do not change during the program execution, and the variables values make changes during the execution. If you declare a variable in C, that means you are asking the operating system to reserve a piece of memory with that the variable name. Variable declaration in C. If we see here, it is the type and the variable name, and in this way we can write the type and the variable name, or we can write another this way, type, and after that we can give the variable name, and after that we give another variable name and the comma, and we give the another variable name and then semicolon. In this way we can do the types of variable declaration. Here is the example. It is the integer type here, and x is the variable, and we is not assign any value to the x here, but we give the integer type y, and we assign a value 5 here. Okay, and after that we give the semicolon to end the line. And char is the character type variable. Here is the m, and it stores the character a. And float is the type of the variable. Currency is the variable, and area is the variable here. Okay, and here is the variable rules. Variable names can consist of the capital letters A to Z, lowercase letters and small a to small z, and digits 0 to 9, and the underscore character. The first character must be a letter or a underscore. Black spaces cannot be used in the variable names, and special characters like hash and the dollar are not allowed. C keywords cannot be used as the variable names. Okay, and variable names are case sensitive. Value of the variables can be numeric or alphabetic. Variable types can be character, integer, or float, or double, or y type. Okay, here is the function we have. Here it is include studio standard input output is there. It is the header type. It is included into our program. Here void main. Here main is the nothing but the main function. Here our values will be, our program code will be executed within the main function. Okay, here void is nothing. It will not return any value. Void means. Okay, here integer is the type of the type, and integer type, and age is the variable, and we assign 25 value to the age. Okay, integer type. Printf is the keyword which is used to that print the what we have given within the print. Here here is the im, and percentage d is the digit integer type, and it will print stores the that will print the 25 value which is stored in the age. Okay, then it print the your name, and they give next line. This is will be happens in our output. Let us jump into the lab. This is our program. See here, this is our program. Is same what we have said before. We do that include and standard input function and main function, and integer age is equal to 25. It prints the age, and this what we have given in the sentence. Okay, and we execute it. first compile using F9, and after run using F10. It is our output. See here, this is our output. What exactly is happen here is that if you see here in the main function, integer value, integer data type, and age is stored 25, and after that print the age 25. That is happen here. See, same, that is the I am 25 years old. Here is also that is that the value which is stored in the value that will be taken by the percentage d and printed here. I am 25 years old. Okay, what is happen here, integer age 25, that will stored in the age. This age will be again sent to percentage d and print here. Okay. Okay, thank you. We will see in the next video.